let's look at the next one. We have 5x minus 2 is equals to 20 is equals to 18, for instance. Okay? We are told to find the value of x. Please, you don't need to write. We are told to find the value of x when we have that 5x minus 2 is equal to 18. Just the same thing we did. We'll first of all start by collecting like terms. But first thing we have to observe in collecting like terms is that in the question we are taking away 2 out of the algebraic term, 5x. Okay? So to get it to 0, you have it that 5x minus 2 is the actual thing. Yeah? So to get it, you have to add it. So that minus 2 plus 2 is 0. You have to add 2 to both sides. Okay? And that's equal to, you also have to do what? Add 2 to what? Add 2 to what? 20. 18, sorry. Okay? If you do the addition, you see that 5x will now be equal to what? 18 plus 20 is what? What is 18 plus 20? Huh?
20.
18 plus 2 is 20, correct. So since we have 5 lots of a certain number is equal to 20, okay, we are expected here to find the exact value of the x. So how do we go about finding the exact value of x? How can we do that?
So you divide both sides by 5.
So we have to divide both sides by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So when you divide both sides by 5, you see that 5 will be out, okay? If 5 cancels out, you see that x is equals to 20 divided by 5 is what? 20 divided by 5 is 4. And that's the value for x, okay? So it is very, very easy to do. Do you understand me?
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, okay. Let me just fix it. Okay? So to solve simple equations, that's the easiest way to do that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can I see the board now? Can I see the board now? Can I see the board now?
Yes, considerable.
Oh, okay. So that's easy. So this is clearly simple equation. The first thing we have to do is to collect like terms, okay? So you see we subtracted 2 from both sides. Okay? After subtracting 2 from both sides, we landed that 5x is giving us 20. So you notice that the coefficient of x, which is the 5, is, so to get it out, you see we divided the left hand and the right hand side by what? The coefficient of what? X. And that's how to solve a simple equation. Okay?
Okay.
So that's how to do that, and it is very, very easy. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So how do we solve simple equations?
So first you collect like terms.
Okay.
Then you would either add or subtract from both sides.
Yes, yes. To get rid of the constants, right?
You get rid of the constants. Then you're left with x and the number on the other side. So then you'll divide it in order to get your answer.
Oh, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. Thank you. Okay. So write what is on the board and let me know. Once you're done, you let me know.
Okay, I'm done.
Hi guys, let's comment. Please like the live. We are doing simple equation today. Okay, you're done, right?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, that's fine. So the next one we'll be looking at is that your camera is off. The next one we'll be looking at is scenarios where we have the variables on both sides of the equation. Okay? There are some cases where we have the variables on both sides of the equation. Let's take for instance we are trying to solve 5x minus 2 is equals to 3x plus 8. Okay? We are trying to solve this form of simple equation. Your background is noisy. We are trying to solve this type of equation where the variables are on both sides and the constants are also on both sides of the equation. Okay? Okay. For us to solve this particular equation or problem, all we have to do first is to collect like terms, but we do it one after the other. Okay? So let's say we have 5x minus 2 is equals to 3x plus 8. First, we start with the numbers. We always like the numbers or the constants to be on the right hand side of the equation, while the variables are also needed to be on the left hand side of the equation. Are you getting it? So in that case, we now have 5x minus 2. So what should we add or subtract? What should we add or subtract here?
Well, you can subtract minus 2.
You add 2 to both sides, and that's equals to, you have 3x minus plus 8. You are doing what? You are adding 2 to both sides. Okay?
Yeah.
So if you do that, the left hand side remains only 5x, and the right hand side increased to 3x plus 10. Okay? So the next one we have to do is to do the same process again. We are going to do what? What do we have to do? We are going to do what? Thank you, I'm fine. We are going to do what? What do we need to do? We are going to do what? We are going to subtract the 3x. Okay? So we have it that 5x. We are going to subtract 3x, and that's equals to, we are left with 3x plus 10. We are going to do what? Subtract 3x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So 5x minus 3x is giving you 2x, right? Then you see that 3x and 3x will be what? 0, right? So here you are left with what? 10. Are you getting it? So
Yeah,
for
and
you
then you
to,
divide that by.
yeah, you have to divide now by the coefficient. So if you divide by the coefficient, what are you getting? If you divide by the coefficient, you get that x, 10 divided by 2 is what? What is 10 divided by 2? Is what?
5.
5.
5.
Excellent.
X is equal to 5.
So x is equals to 5. Okay? And that's the answer. So I want you to write it and let me know.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm fine. I'm doing well. Yes, minus 3. Sure. Chess player, how are you? It has been long. Thank you for joining back. Please help me by liking the live. Please help me by liking the live video. Yes, I just decided to come on board to check and know how everybody's doing. I hope you guys are fine. Please help me like the live, share the live. The chess player, I'm doing very well. I'm doing very well. How about you? I hope you're fine in your location. Okay, today we are looking at how to solve simple equations, okay, by collecting like terms. how to solve simple equations by collecting like terms. If you look at the one I solved, you see that I first of all added 2 to both sides so that I'll bring the constants together, okay? So after adding 2 to both sides, you see we are left with 5x, and that's equals to 3x plus 3x plus 10. Okay, after all said and done, we solved and we got the answer to be 5. Okay? Okay, that's so this is how we solve the problem. Okay? Okay, you've done it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So, so let's look at the next one. So we are told to solve something like we have 6x minus 8 is equals to 2x minus 32. Okay? So here we are looking at how to solve the value for x. When we are doing it, you don't have to write, just look at the board and understand it. The main goal is for us to understand first. Okay? Okay? So for us to solve for the value of x, is just, our goal here is just to get the exact number that once it plugs inside here, we are going to get the value of x to be the same. That's the left and the right hand side must be the same. So since we have 6x minus 8 is equals to 2x minus 32. First thing we have to do is to start by collecting the first step. Okay? So what we have to do here is that 6x minus 8. So what should we do? We're gonna do what?
We need to add.
Yeah, we need to add 8 to both sides. If you add 8, and that's equals to 2x minus 32. We need to do what again? We need to add 8 to both sides. Okay?
Okay.
So if you add 8 to both sides, you have it that 6x is equal to 2x minus 32 plus 8 is what? What is minus 32 plus 8? What is minus 32 plus 8? What is minus 32?
24.
The answer is minus 24. Okay?
Okay.
The answer is minus 24. So the next thing we have to do is simple. So we have it that 6x minus 2x. We will now subtract 2x from both sides, right?
Yeah.
So if you subtract, you are having it to be that 2x minus 24 minus 2x. Okay? So if you do justice to that, you have it that 4x is equals to minus 24. Are you getting it now? So for us to get the value of x, all we have to do here is just to divide the left by 4 and divide the right by 4. Okay? So when we divide by 4, what are we getting? What are we getting? If you divide by 4, you see that x is equals to minus 24 divided by 4 is what? What is minus 24 divided by 4?
This is 0.5.
It's not 0.5, I don't agree. The answer will be, bring the minus first. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the answer is minus 6. Okay?
Sorry.
Yeah, the answer is minus 6. Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you have to write it and let me know. Hi guys, let's like the live please. Let's like the live please. Let's like the live please. Let's like the live please, please. So we are still learning simple equation. It's very, very easy. It's simple to do. Very, very easy, as easy as ABC. Our goal is just to find the value of x only. The variable can be y at any point in time, but finding the x and the y is just a simple way to solve simple equation. Okay? Please let's like the live, let's share, let's comment. Our goal today is to solve simple equation involving in just simple equation where the variables are on both sides of the equation. As you can see on the board, we have actually solved it and we got the value of x to be minus 6. Okay, we are going to take another example to show you. Okay. Okay, do you need help? I hope you understand what we are doing. Oh?
Almost done.
Oh, okay, good. It's very simple now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, I'm done.
Let's take another example together. Okay.
Okay.
Let's look at 7x minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 13. Okay. So our goal here is to find the value of x that will make the left and right hand side to be the same. Okay. To do that first, all we have to do is to start by collecting like terms. Okay? To collect like terms is very, very easy. Since we have 7x minus 2, we'll first of all consider this minus. Okay? So we have it that 7x minus 2, we need to do what? Add 2 to both sides plus 2. And that's equals to 2x plus 13, we are adding 2 to both sides. Okay? Okay, if you add 2 to both sides, it made this to be 0, right?
Yes.
Yes. So since it made it to be 0, you can now see that 7x is equal to 2x plus 15. Are you following? So if you have it like this, you have it that 7x. What do we do next?
So that would then be
What do we do next?
minus 2x by 7x.
Okay. Minus 2x. And that's equals to 2x plus 15. We have to do what? Minus 2x. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you do that, you have 7x minus 2x is what?
It's 5x.
And that's equals to 15. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So if you have that, for you to get x, you divide by 5 and divide by 5. Okay? If you divide by 5, you have it that x is equal to 3. And that's the value for x. Okay? So I want you to write it and let me know. Hi guys, any question on what we've done? Please, let's like the live. Please. Let's like the live. We have been here for almost 20 minutes. Let's like the live, please. Let's like, let's share, let's comment. Let's like, let's share, let's comment. Let's like, let's share, let's comment. Let's like, let's share, let's comment, please. Okay, tell us where you're watching from. I'm teaching from Nigeria. Let us know where you're watching from. I'm teaching from Nigeria. Let's know where you're watching from. I'm teaching from Nigeria. Let's know where you're watching from. I'm teaching from Nigeria. Let's know where you're watching from. So we're actually looking at simple equation though. Yeah, it's, as I told you earlier, simple equation is basically a math statement that is saying that two things are equal. That's the left hand side is equal to the right hand side of the equation. So whenever you find a way to solve the value for x. Okay, you're done. So let's look at another one. Okay. So this is how we solve simple equation of this type. Okay. There is also simple equation that involves brackets. Okay. You know what I mean by bracket?
Okay. Yeah, I'm like brackets, right?
Yeah, exactly. You are there. So let's say we have 2 into 3x minus 6 minus 7, and that's equals to 3 into x plus 5. Okay? Here we are actually expected to find the value of x that will make the left and the right hand side to be the same. That's the real meaning of solving for the value of x. So for you to do that, you first of all open the bracket. And in algebra, for you to open the bracket, you are going to use the number that is multiplying the bracket to multiply each term in the bracket. Are you getting it? So 2 times 3x and 2 times minus 7. Same thing is applied to 3. Okay? So if you have that, what do you have to get? 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 7 is minus 14. And that's equals to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is plus 15. Okay? Do you understand this stage now?
I understand it.
Okay, that's alright. So if you have this now, it's very simple. Can you hear me? Yeah, if you have this now, it's very simple. You have to collect like terms. And to collect like terms is just the usual one we're solving. Okay? So what you have to do here is that 6x minus 14. We are going to add 14, and that's 3x plus 15. We add 14. Okay? What we add to the left hand side, we should also add it to the right hand side. Good. If you have this now, you can now see that we have 6x is equal to 3x plus, what is 14 plus 15? What is 14 plus 15? What is 14 plus 15? Is, okay, it is what? 29. So the next thing we ought to do is to subtract 3x from both sides, right? Can you hear me? Okay. So to subtract 3x from both sides, you have it as 6x minus 3x is equals to 3x plus 29 minus 3x. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
So you have it that 3x is equals to 29. To get x, all you have to do is to divide by 3 and divide by 3. If you divide through by 3, you see that x is equals to 29 over 3. Okay? Okay? Okay. So you have to write it down. Let me know. Alright guys, are you following what we're doing? Are you understanding what we're doing? Thank you for liking. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Please, 5 guys, let's support me by liking, please. Let's like the live, please. Let's like the live, please. Let's like the live. Okay, you said I should teach integration. Okay. Yes, I will teach integration. I will make out there to do that. Let's just complete this one today. Abby, please like the live, okay? Please like the live. Okay, let us know, guys. Let us know the interesting topic you want us to teach. Abby said integration. Is there any other person that have a different topic altogether, so that I can have, or I can find a way to group it and teach it batch by batch by going live? Okay. Let us know in the comments. I'll be taking note about that. Let us know in the comments. So about this class, can you rate it out of 10? Guys, can you guys rate this class out of 10? Let's know what's happening. Can you rate it out of 10 from 0 to 10? Is it quite understandable? Am I breaking it down very well to the
I'm
level
ready.
you can do it? Okay, you're done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's solve 5 into x plus 2 is equals to 6 into 2 into x minus 1. Okay? So for us to solve this one is very simple. As I told you, we have to open the bracket, and to open the bracket, we use the number outside to multiply each term in the bracket. Okay? So what we have to do is that 5 times x is what? That gives 5x. 5 times 2 is given 10. And that's 6x minus. 6 times 1 is what? 6 times minus 1 is what?
-6.
6 times minus 1 is minus 6. Good. So, we have to do 5x plus 10. What should we do here?
Okay, so then we should minus the 10.
Okay. Minus 10 is equals to 6x minus 6 minus 10. Right? Right?
Correct.
Yeah, so you have it that 5x is equals to 10 minus 10 is what? What's
10 minus 10, 0.
10 minus 10 is 0, okay? 10 minus 10 is what? 0. Okay. Then, and this is equals to 6x minus 16. What is minus 6 minus 10? What is minus 6 minus 10?
-6 minus 10.
What is minus 6?
-16.
Yeah, minus 16. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So we have it at 5x minus 6x is equals to 6x minus 16 minus 6x. So what is 5x minus 6x? What is 5x minus 6x? What is 5x minus 6x? What is 5x minus 6x?
Is it minus x?
Is minus x, correct. So you have it as minus x, and this is equals to, what is 6x minus 6x? What is 6x minus 6x? What is 6? What is 6x minus 6x?
0.
0. 6x minus 6x is 0. So we are left with minus 16. So what can we use to divide this? What can we use to divide this? We divide by minus 1, minus 1. So this is out. So x is equals to minus 16 divided by minus 1 is what? What is minus 16 divided by minus 1? What is minus 16 divided by? Huh?
Is it a regular 16?
Yeah, so the answer will now be positive 16. It will change the sign. So the answer will be positive 16. Okay? So guys, I want you to write it and let me know. Okay? Okay. Yes, this is how we actually solve simple equations. It's very, very easy. You said, could you teach me Stokes theorem? Yeah, I can do that for you, but actually we are dealing on simple equation today. So as I told you, you talked about integration. As I told you about that, we are going to make a day for us to do that. Also, we also have a private class where you can enroll so that we have a detailed class for you. If you need that, you let me know so I can write my WhatsApp number on the board for you to message me privately so that we can do that one-on-one through Zoom. or Google Meet. Okay, so this is very, very simple. To deal with simple equation is very, very easy. It's all about playing a little trick of collecting like terms. It's very, very easy to do. Okay, very, very. I have lots of videos, some videos on shorts, some shorts on integration. You can just look at it and understand it very well. Okay, so if you have any problem, you should let us know. It's very, very easy to do. It's not something difficult. With little practice, step by step, you are going to master it very, very well. Okay, so if very easy, it's very, very easy to do. Okay, help us like the live video so that it can reach more people. Okay, like the live so
Okay, I'm done.
more people. Okay, you're done. Let's take another example. Okay. Let's look at 4 into 2x minus 1 is equals to 5 into 2x plus 7. Okay,
Okay.
this is very easy. I told you for you to open up brackets in algebra, all you have to do for us is just simple. You use the number outside to multiply each term in the bracket. Okay? And to do that, you have it as 4 times this. So 5 times the first term and 7 times the second term. So 4 times 2 is 6 is 8. 8x. What is 4 times minus 1? What is 4 times minus 1?
Is it minus 4?
4 times minus 1 is minus 4. And that's what is 5 times 2? What is 5 times 2x?
10x. 10x.
Okay, it's 10x. What is 5 times 7? What is
5 times 7 is 45. 45.
5 times 7 is 35.
Oh, 35, my bad.
Yeah. Then the next step is to collect like terms, right? So to collect like terms, what do we have to do?
So first let's minus, actually, no, let's add 4. Add 4.
Yeah, you can actually add 4. So you have it at 8x minus 4 plus 4 is 10x plus 35 plus 4. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, if you do that, you have it that 8x is equals to 10x plus, what is 35 plus 4?
39.
35 plus 4 is what? 39. Good. So here, what do? We subtract 10x from both sides. Okay? So we have 8x minus 10x is equals to 10x plus 39 minus 10x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you have it that minus 2x is equals to 39. Okay?
Okay.
So all you have to do here is just to divide through by minus 2 and divide by minus 2. You divide, you see that x is equals to minus 39 divided by 2. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how we solve simple equation. It's very, very easy. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So write it and let me know. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for having you guys around. Thank you. I really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.